Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can create a frame or add a frame on Lucidchart to a diagram with a 16:9 aspect ratio. So let us guide you through this. So guys, let me navigate to that example diagram here and zoom out a bit. So as you can see, I added two different frames to that diagram. That one here resembles or almost 16:9. Let me show how you can do it. So what you will need to do is navigate to shapes here on the left panel and select a new frame. Left click into it, hold it and position it on your editing board. Now as you can see, these default frames have a 1:1 aspect ratio, but here on the right panel under layout you may navigate to the aspect ratio section, click into the drop down menu and switch from custom to one of these: 1:1, 4:3, 3:2 or 16:9. There you go. Of course you can adjust the custom aspect ratio, click into the given frame and simply click into one of its corners to resize it so that it has the aspect ratio you prefer. That's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.